Hello parents. Tonight I wanted to make a quick video to show you guys an example of what the distributed property and the array model looks like. Some of my kids are struggling understanding this. I went ahead and wrote it out and I'm going to explain it. I tried making the video holding my phone and trying to write it down as I explain it at the same time, but this is like take 25, so I went ahead and wrote it out, and I'm just going to explain it to you guys, and maybe you can help your children tonight get a better understanding. We went over this yesterday, and they put the notes inside of their math journal, so some of them already know how it goes. They caught on real quick, but a lot of them are still struggling, and I think they are struggling with trying to figure out multiples of the divisor. I don't think it's so much of the way to do it. I think it's they can't think critically enough to split the numbers up so that they are multiples of the divisor. So I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to do it, and you can show them this video, and hopefully tomorrow when they get in class they have a better understanding. I was not in the classroom today. I was gone all day to a technology meeting, so I did not get to do this again with them, and that's why I'm making this video tonight. Okay, so I am dividing 68 divided by 4. Now just imagine the number is not there, but I'll tell you how I got the answer. All right, so when you write this out, it will be just a plain, simple box divided. And you will take your divisor and write your divisor here. And I'm still trying to record and write. It just looked better this way to me. All right, so now you're going to break the dividend up into two numbers, but those two numbers have to equal the dividend, and it has to be a multiple of 4. So I think I use 40 and 28. Yep, I use 40 and 28. And as you can see, 40 and 28, 40 plus 28 equals 68. And 40 is a multiple of 4. 28 is also a multiple of 4. So I know that 4 times 10 equals 40. So I'm going to write 10 here. I also know that 4 times 7 equals 28. So I'm going to write 7 up here. Now, I add those two numbers together and I get 17. So now I know the answer to this problem is 17. But they're being asked to write it in distributive property. So the way you do that is you just write it out as the multiplication. So you'll go 4 times 10 plus, you got your plus sign, 4 times 7 equals your dividend, which is 68. Now, you can use a different number for this. And that's what I did on the second part. The second part I use 48 and 20. I know both of these numbers are multiples of 4, and when you add them together, they equal 68. And so when I put those two numbers in, now I walk through the steps. 4 times what equals 48? 12. 4 times what equals 20? 5. So 12 plus 5 equals 17. Now when I write it out, I write exactly what I worked out in the array model. 4 times 12 plus 4 times 5 equals 68. Now I'm gonna post this video, and if you still have any questions about it, just shoot me a message, a private message, and I'll be on for the next hour or so to be able to answer any questions that you may have. It will help me so much if you sit down tonight and either show them this video or make up some problems and work with them, so that when they get in my class tomorrow, we'll have a smooth sailing. Because with me being out today just kind of put me behind on reteaching the lesson. So that's why I wanted to make this 5-minute video. Thank you, and enjoy your dinner and your night.